Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to use Google Wallet on Android. So if you want to use Google Wallet for anything like contactless payments, tickets, or anything else, so what you have to do is, first of all, you have to open your phone settings. In the search settings, you have to type in contactless. Click on contactless payments. Select here and select Google Wallet. Now what you have to do is open Google Play Store and type in wallet, hit enter. You'll be able to see Google Wallet. Download and install Google Wallet on your phone. Once downloaded, you have to open Google Wallet. Now if it's your first time, then what you have to do is click on add payment card. Click on new credit or debit card. Now you have to enter the details of your card. Once you have entered all of the details, you have successfully added your card on Google Wallet. Now you can use your Google Wallet for online payments, for contactless payments on POS, and you can do multiple things with the help of Google Wallet. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.